Namaskar, Om Namah Shivaya. So today in this video, let's add some music. Okay, now it's fine. So today in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can convert your fire extinguisher, the old fire extinguisher that's been on the wall for last like how many years and it has not been refilled. So you can convert that thing into an air compressor. So what you need is an old tire inflator or a new one, you can say the compressor. So what I have done is I took this socket and got it welded from some shop, got it welded normal arc welding onto the cylinder from where the inlet goes. Okay, the compressed air goes in, and after that I just modified the upper part of the fire extinguisher from where it is supposed to throw out the powder. Okay, so I have this cylinder emptied out earlier and just modified a little bit from where the plunger plugs, the plunger is hit in fire extinguisher. I have just screwed it down with a screw. Okay, so here's the final product for this thing. After this socket I have added a male to male coupler, and then after that an NRV so that the pressure doesn't fire back onto the tire inflator, and after that I have put a push connector for the pipe. Okay, so this cylinder has been tested up to 35 bars. Okay, so it's safe to use up to 35 bars. And why this cylinder is burnt? Because I had burned it so that the moisture could come out. Okay, to remove the moisture out of the cylinder, as it can damage the cylinder from inside. Rusting can happen. This air compressor thing can be used for small DIY projects and for inflating your tires if you want to keep compressed air at home. So this can be used also for cleaning purposes at home. Okay, if you want to clean something out with the pressure, and you don't need to go and run to some shop and get this pressurized. Okay, you can clean your filters or something like that with the compressed air. And for painting purposes, small DIY projects, all these things can be done. Okay, but I have filled is up to 6 to 7 bars, and that's quite high pressure. So if you like the background music for this particular video, you can go to my channel and search for the music. These musics are copyright free. I create them every week. I will be putting some music. So these musics can be used as a background music for videos. Like this one can be used for food blogging or creative DIY, these type of things. Okay, so I hope you like the music. Share it. If you know someone who needs copyright free music, you can take it. All you need to do is put my name, the name of the channel, and the description to the song, description to the music in their video, and it's free for use. Okay, let's share something good to the community, and I hope you like the video. I hope you will share it with your friends. And if you are a college student, you can tell your friend that this how you can make your own compressor and submit as a project or something. So take care, bye bye, keep supporting. Thanks. Om Tat Sat.